22-year-old Jamaican native Anita Antoinette is hoping she too will find a coach.
For my blind audition, I'll be singing No Woman to Cry by Bob Marley. Living in Jamaica, I mean, Bob Marley is an icon, and the song means a lot to me. It's about the real nitty-gritty of living in poverty and coming out of that. And actually, I'm kind of dedicating that song to my mom as well. My mom left when I was 2 to come to the U.S. and work. She had like 3 or 4 jobs at a time to raise money and get us here. And I look at myself now, and I just graduated from Berklee College of Music, which is one of the top music schools in the world.
I'm so proud of her that she made this so far. This is the best gift in life that God had ever gave me. So I love you so much.
If a coach would turn around, it would mean everything. Every decision, every struggle, every tear, every heartache. It would mean that this is what I was supposed to do. That all of what has happened in my life and happened in my family's life, it's like leading up to this.
No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Hey, say, I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trench Town, observing the hypocrites. Yeah. I mingle with the good people we meet, and good friends we've had.
Oh my gosh, press the buzzer, somebody.
Good friends we've lost. But in this great future, you can't forget your past. No, no, no. So dry your tears, I say. Hey, come on, say. Everything gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright now. Everything's gonna be alright. So no woman, no cry. No woman, no
What's up?
Hello. What's your name?
Anita Antoinette.
You're a great singer. You got a great voice.
Thank you.
I felt like the spirit of what's being said in that song, which is very heavy and very important, wasn't being delivered. I needed to feel it in my bones, what you were saying. It's like you got to be on the verge of tears, you know? It's like, good friends, we love. Like, you got to, I want to be crying when I turn around, you know?
And I think, like, certain songs aren't meant to be performed.
Oh, of course.
It's like,
Yeah.
it's like they are being thought out loud. You know what I'm saying? How does Bob affect you?
Well, I was born in Jamaica, and I listened to him pretty much every day, especially in high school. And I know that, like, you can't turn your buttons or do this all over again, but if I could just do this a cappella, and I know that I'm not gonna, like, be on a team after this, but I know exactly where you're coming from, and if I could just do that.
Yeah, go for it.
No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trench Town, observing the hypocrites. Yeah. I mingle with the good people we meet. Yeah.
Yeah.
And everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright now. everything's gonna be alright. So no woman, no cry.
That's what I'm talking about.
Please come back.
That gave me crazy chills. I was like trying. That was
Don't cry. Listen to the song. It will be all right, okay? Come back.
You want to promise me to come back next year? All right. Come back next year. That was beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. You did it. Yeah, you did it.